What is the definition of cleaning? It is the science of controlling contaminants. Cleaning is the science of controlling contaminants. It is one of the most basic ways we manage our environment. To fully understand cleaning science, we need to understand both how it is scientific and how it is related to the larger discipline of environmental management. In order for cleaning to be a science, it must be based on scientific principles, and research scientific knowledge evolves through research. Research is a process where we formulate a hypothesis, perform experiences that will prove or disprove it, observe the results of the experiments, write up our observations, and submit them to be reviewed by other scientists. All of the recommendations are backed up by scientific knowledge acquired by this process. Science can also be looked at as a process of guided learning. This traditional and systematic process leads us to theories about the way things work. It shapes our thinking about how things should be viewed, considered, and treated in the real world. Through it, we get smarter. We acquire knowledge that is factual, objective, reliable, but that knowledge is not carved in stone. Science and learning are dynamic processes, always in motion. Therefore, the science of cleaning is always changing. It should not be surprising that our business practice is changed from time to time. Our cleaning methods and products will, we hope, get better as we grow. In our understanding of the science, it is based on as long as our scientific knowledge supports them, but we will throw them out if and when we find they are no longer effective. We will discuss the principles of environmental management to further develop two important ideas: that cleaning is a form of environmental management and solidly based on science and scientific principles. This will set the stage to discuss environmental guidelines for cleaning.